Plastic waste is everywhere. But what if I told you that this same waste can become tools, decor, furniture, or even a full business? Today, I'll walk you through 7 practical ways to turn recycled plastic into real, usable products. From simple DIY hacks to serious production methods. Let's start small. Method 1. The tin can mold. All you need here is waste plastic, a clean tin can, and a heat gun. No shredding, no fancy machines. Drop the plastic straight into the can. Apply heat slowly. As it melts, press it down, layer by layer. Once the can is full, insert a wooden handle with small notches so the plastic grips as it cools. Clamp it down, let it set, peel away the tin, and you're left with a solid, heavy-duty plastic mallet. Simple, cheap, effective. Method 2. Flat sheets and cookie cutters. If you want thinner shapes, this method works beautifully. Melt plastic between silicone sheets using a panini press. Twist the colors together. Flatten it again. While it's still hot, press cookie cutters into the sheet. They won't cut all the way through, so finish the edges with a sharp blade. The result? Clean, detailed shapes, without expensive molds. Perfect for pendants, key rings, or decorations. Method 3. DIY wooden molds. Want bigger items but still on a budget? Wooden molds are your best friend. Build them from scrap wood, but make them strong. Plastic shrinks as it cools and creates pressure. Heat the plastic however you like. Tin can, oven, or press. Drop it into the mold. Add pressure using clamps, weights, or a simple jack press. Trim the excess. And you've got tough, custom-shaped products. Method 4. Recycling sheet molds. For large flat sheets, build a dedicated mold. Use thick plywood. Layer it. Glue it. Screw it tight. To speed things up, combine a panini press with a small oven. One melts, the other keeps everything hot. Press it hard. The result? Thick, recycled plastic sheets ready for furniture, stools, or panels. Now here's the part most people never talk about. Making products is one thing. Selling them is a different game. A lot of creators build amazing stuff, then struggle for months trying to get eyes on it. If you're serious about turning projects like this into income, you need traffic, real people, not bots. That's why I'm recommending this complete AI-powered traffic system that literally does the heavy lifting. It brings real visitors, sometimes within 24 hours, without grinding daily content or chasing algorithms. You create, the system handles traffic. If you want to check it out, I've dropped the link in the description. All right, back to the builds. Method 5. CNC cutting. Now let's get precise. If you want repeatable shapes, a CNC router is a game changer. Design once. Cut perfectly, again and again. This is ideal for small batch products you plan to sell, and with an enclosure, all plastic waste gets collected and reused. Efficiency matters. Method 6. Injection molding. This is where recycling turns into real production. Injection molding forces melted plastic into molds at high pressure. Fast, consistent, scalable. Wood molds won't survive here. So metal molds are the upgrade. With the right setup, you can produce identical products in batches over and over again. Method 7. Extrusion. Big plastic, big impact. Finally, extrusion. This machine pushes out a continuous stream of molten plastic like a giant 3D printer nozzle. It's perfect for making raw materials for furniture and large builds. Benches, beams, structural parts. No wood grain, no knots, just solid recycled plastic you can drill, bolt, and assemble. So there you have it. 7 different ways to turn plastic waste into something useful. From beginner DIY projects to full-scale business solutions. If you made it this far, you're a legend. Thanks for watching. Recycle smart. Create boldly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart ideas on turning everyday waste into useful products and real income opportunities. See you in the next video.